Wagon thing dropped to the ground. That's funny. He's on the ground. Looks like he's got training wheels on that thing, so it's so low to the ground. Alright, so if you look in my rearview mirror, you'll see actually a washing machine. I took a dive this weekend. 90 degrees, and it's 9:52, and I've already got my new washing machine from the SEARS Scratch and Dent. Got a 3-year warranty on it. I'm happy to go. I can just make it home this last couple of miles. I've actually got it sitting on the tailgate. Man, and it's 90 degrees and 100% humidity almost out here. It's ridiculous. I'm soaking wet from standing out there loading that thing. It's going to be a hot one today. I'm going to meditate in the house all day long, I think. I might go in the hot tub later tonight, but it's way, way too hot and humid outside today to do any kind of work. In fact, I'm going to get home, get this in the garage, and I will turn on my AC in the garage for a while, and then I'll go out there and deal with the hooking up this new washing machine. It's way, 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 way too humid. Did I tell you it was humid out? Oh boy. Glad this is done. Started messing up last week, and then yesterday, 2 days ago, I tried to do a load of wash, some white clothes, and then all kinds of stuff was staying in the machine. It wouldn't drain the water out, it wouldn't do anything. And last night I ran it again, and it when it cycled off, it was full of water. So I rebuilt that one too many times to worry about it. I got my money's worth out of it many a time. I think I put 3 pumps in that, 2 or 3 drain lines, so I'm happy. And we got one of the older style ones that don't have the automatic sensor for the water level. And we can still set the water level, because the new machines don't have that, and I understand it can be a nightmare. So I'm glad we got what we got. Choo-wee. Hopefully I can get this off the truck by myself. That might be a problem. We'll have to see. I'd like to get my neighbor to give me a hand. It's not that heavy, so. Uh-oh, we got police up here. We got police at the construction site. I know he's not using that bathroom. Checking it out. He's checking it out. So I hope everybody's day goes by. Saturday has a great day on Saturday today, and also tomorrow, Sunday. Enjoy it, relax, keep out of trouble. Rest up for next weekend, 4th of July. Oh boy. We will be at the house, either in the hot tub or at the tiki bar watching the fireworks. We do not plan on going anywhere. No need to go anywhere. Gonna cook some sirloin steaks tonight. I got 2 out last night. We didn't cook them. We didn't really have dinner last night. And then I'm having too much fun hanging out in the hot tub last night. Guys came yesterday, cut the lawn, cut my big bush out front. Everything's done. I got those 5 barrels of palm fronds out of the way. I'd like to cut some more, but it's just not today. It needs to cool off. And my roads are some of the roughest roads out here. Put it behind me. Got a little garage sale going on. You got any guns, buddy? Who's got guns? I'm here to buy guns. God, I got 2 Jeeps. This guy in that house has a killer old Bronco. 70s Bronco, all jacked up. Beautiful restoration. Very nice. I don't think I've ever driven so slow in my life. High tide. It's actually going out. I have a 4-inch drop already. Maybe Kevin's something he can give me a hand. Kevin or one of the boys, baby. One of the boys. That's an idea. Well, they had a guy waxing this boat for the last 2 days, buffing it and waxing it. That blue looks pretty good. That's the problem when you get a colored boat. You know, whether it's red, blue, yellow, whatever, it's all gonna fade. So I've always learned that you want to keep white gel coat. A lot easier to maintain, saves you a lot of money that way. And great, Kevin's not home. Darn it. All right, we'll see if we can make this happen. I'm sure I can. All right, we'll catch you cats later. Oh boy. Oh, look at that. I got my truck box in the back seat now. The get home bag is in there with a pair of boots. The kid can get home.